Welcome to Textel Blast. Reaching your customers has never been easier. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the user interface and schedule your blast. Once you've logged into Textel Blast, you will see the Blast dashboard. Let's begin with an explanation of the status filters at the top of the screen. These status filters toggle the dashboard views as follows. The far left filter shows the most current blasts regardless of the status. The question mark filter shows blasts that have not yet sent that need setup completion. The clock filter shows all blasts that are currently scheduled. The thumbs up filter shows the blasts that are currently sending. The checkmark filter shows blasts that have been completed. The circle with the slash through it shows blasts that were stopped prior to the send by the user. The multi-document stack at the far right shows all blasts in queue, completed, and stopped. The dashboard columns show the status of your blast as we just reviewed on the far left. The blast name, the start date of your blast, which is when the blast was created, the scheduled date and time of your blast, and toggle settings to view the blast setting, reports, and also a stop button which can be used to stop your blast prior to the scheduled send time. Let's review how to add a new blast. To add a new blast, select the blue Add button. This will open a new window where you will add the campaign name for your reference in the dashboard, select the outbound line you will use to send your text blast, which is the line Textel has enabled for you, add the text message and/or image, select the send time and start date. So let's get started. When selecting the campaign name, choose a name that will reference the content of the message. This campaign name will only be seen by you as the creator of the blast within the dashboard, as it is used for your reference only. Next, you will click on the drop-down arrow and select the outbound line you will use to send your blast. This is the text-enabled number Textel has enabled specifically for your business. In the message field, you will then add the text you wish to send to your customers. Textel Blast allows up to 600 characters in your blast. Textel Blast also allows you to personalize your message with first name and last name tags within the body of the text. To add a tag functionality, the first name and/or last name must be enclosed in curly brackets. Where are the curly brackets located on your keyboard? Just above the quote and enter key and accessed by using the shift key. These tags include first name and/or last name with no spaces in between the words. It is not necessary that tags be used, but it does personalize your customer experience, and we do recommend it. Keep in mind the limitations of outbound characters. For instance, you may want to cut your message short at 575 characters to leave room for the tag names. Not only can you enter text into the message body, but you may also use MMS or pictures to send with your text blast. Pictures are added in the image field. Simply browse your computer, select and upload the image. Acceptable file formats to use are JPEG, GIF, and PNG files. The maximum file size is 600 kilobytes. Just a reminder, it is your personal choice to send only a text blast, only an image blast, or a blast that contains both. Once your content upload is complete, select the local send time and start date for your blast. Blasts can go out immediately or stay in the queue for the future. This feature is very helpful when planning your marketing strategies in advance. If you want your blast to send right away, then simply choose today's date and the time in the past. Your blast will send within 5 minutes of being scheduled. Your location time zone is added by default time by Textel. Your information is now complete by selecting Save. This completes this tutorial. Watch our next tutorial and learn how to upload your customer list and finalize your Textel Blast.